To our friends from the ADB, led by Mr. Jeffries. Good morning, sir. It's nice to have you here and to have your whole team here as well. Of course, to our good friend, the chairman of the MMDA, Don Artes. Sir, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa lokal na pamahalaan hanggang sa barangay Pinagbuhatan. Muli po, magandang umaga. Good morning, everyone. This is a good step forward. It's good to see the Clearbot in person or live in action. This morning, we've been talking about this, we've been planning for this, and now we see how the innovation will be used to help clean up our rivers. Of course, we shouldn't forget the main source of the problem. We should continue to fight for a cleaner river, not just the river, but all waterways. Alam naman natin, we know that water hyacinths thrive when the water is not so clean, when there is fecal matter, etc. We know that, and we should address the roots of the problem rather than just the symptoms. But this, of course, is also a very welcome step forward and a good innovation. And it just goes to show that we should continue to innovate as we work for a cleaner river, cleaner waterways, and a better environment for everyone.